Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to pan fried sea beans with ginger and green onion. It's probably the best Chinese style pan fried fish and dessert, right? The perfect dishes for any celebration. Heat oil in wrap pan and carefully dip the whole fish into the oil. Cook until skin turns golden brown. Secure it well on both sides. Cutting the green onion and ginger over the fish until nicely crisps up in a hot pan. Sea bream tastes great. Adding ginger increases the unique aromatic. I believe everyone will licking them when trying to make this. You can use any type of fish you prefer as long as it's fresh. Transfer to a warm plate. Garnish with the green onion and chili. Pour the soy sauce over the fish and serve with steamed rice. Enjoy! Happy cooking, everyone!